Alright y'all, it's the Data Finance. Just wanted to say hey and see how y'all are doing. Just going to talk about some video ideas that I've been going through. PancakeSwap is doing some flexible APRs that are just going up and down. When it first started, it was super high, like 800%. Now it's like 12%. It's horrible. Then if you lock in the price for a certain amount of weeks, then they'll give you more, but it's still so low. It's just not good. I'm going to show you what it is in just a moment, and that's it. That's what we're going to do in the video today. Hope y'all like this. If you do, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. All right, y'all, here we go. Hi, y'all. This is Matt Ron, Data Finance. Go to PancakeSwap.finance. It says, hi, make me a cake. That's my username on there. And you just go down to this earn button. Boom. Go to pools. And then it's got the flexible stake cake, and it's got APYs on here. And this is what I have in here already. If you want to send me some cake, I am at this one right here, my profile, at Make Me a Cake, and you can send me some cake if you'd like. That'd be amazing. Just to throw that in there. Then we'll go right back here, go to earn, pools, go to flexible stake cake, and then you can check how it's flexible. Convert to lock. So if you just leave it in flexible, it'll be 7.55 APR. If you want to lock it, it can be a lot more. You can just put in, let's say you put in $1,000, then over 1 year you're only going to get $75.50 if it's flexible. If you put it in for a day, $1,000 is only going to give you 21 cents. A week it'll give you $1.45. And that's all it really talks about right there on flexible. And then if you do locked, if you lock, that much cake for a week, it'll give you $2.05, which is a little bit better. It's at 10.66 APY. And then 5 weeks is 22.48 APY, and it'll give you $21 in cake. And then 10 weeks at $1,000 a cake, which is 136 cake, it'll be 37.25. 25 weeks is about what it was giving before with the 81%, 81.58%. If you hold it for half a year like that, it's going to be $392 that you'll get. But the best, of course, is if you hold it for a year. That's going to give you 161.37%. You cannot sell it. It is totally locked. You can't take it out. You can't do anything with it. But $1,000 would become $1,600. It's more than double your money. Your APY, of course, 161% of your money that you would be getting. So in the long term, if you did like $10,000 and you held it for 1 year and it gave you 161% back, can't beat that. Even if the price of cake went down to $3, you would still be making more than you'd make in the market, S&P 500. Even if cake, and what if say cake doubles, then it's double that number. So it's pretty good. It's pretty awesome. Just want to give you all that heads up on that flexible APY. If you want to stake some cake and lock it in, that's how you do it. You can convert to lock right there, and boom, there it goes. And it's going to ask me how much I want to do and when I want to do it, and then confirm. I don't want to confirm it right now. I'm waiting for a minute. I might do 25 weeks. I might do 52 weeks, because if you did 25 weeks twice, that's only going to be $400 twice. That's $800, and you get double that if you lock it in until May the 4th of next year. May the 4th be with you. All right, y'all, that's it. Talk to y'all later. If you have any questions, comment below. Hope y'all like this. Like and subscribe to Data Finance. My name is Matt Ron.